Dear non-boring friends, before we embark on this wild ride through medical hilarity, let's get one thing straight. We're here to have a good time. Our healthcare superheroes are doing an amazing job, and the laughter you're about to experience is all in good spirits. These stories are dramatized for your entertainment pleasure, serving as a salute to the incredible dedication and resilience of our medical professionals. So, kick back, enjoy the show, and remember that, while the situations may be outrageous, the appreciation for those working in healthcare is genuine. Laugh responsibly and consult your real-life heroes, the healthcare professionals, for any serious concerns. Stay non-boring. Adi.
I hope this message finds you in one piece. And by piece, I mean not scattered across the room like a confetti of medical chaos. So, picture this. I walk into the room, expecting a quiet shift, a cup of coffee, and maybe a friendly chat with the patient. But no, life had different plans for me. There they were, the Picasso of hospital rebellion, calmly reclining with a Mona Lisa smile while their IV drip was making its grand escape across the room. It was like witnessing a modern art installation, only the masterpiece was painted in hues of crimson. Naturally, my first thought was, wow, someone's really committed to redecorating the place. I must admit, the choice of medium was unexpected. I always thought bloodstains were more of an accent color rather than the main feature. In the midst of this artistic endeavor, the patient nonchalantly covered themselves in a blanket, as if to say, oh this, just my interpretation of a horror movie scene. Bravo for the theatrics. I almost expected them to request a soundtrack and a round of applause. Of course, I swiftly sprang into action, gracefully dodging the IV like a ninja, avoiding an enemy attack. It's a good thing I've been practicing my moves in the hospital break room. Who knew dance skills would be so essential in healthcare? After the cleanup, I couldn't help but applaud the patient's dedication to turning a routine medical procedure into a performance art piece. Next time, though, I'd appreciate a heads up. Perhaps a note saying, "Dear nurse, today's entertainment will involve a daring escape of medical equipment. Enjoy the show." In the end, we managed to restore order to the room, and the IV drip is back where it belongs. No harm done, just a few extra steps in my daily Fitbit count. Who knew nursing could be such a workout? Yours in the grand tapestry of medical madness, Adi the Ninja Nurse.